This is to how it turns. I like this when it pops out. It's just like crispy. Wow. And this is my pony right there. Like watching you. And this is how we put them right here. This is the second slide. Whee! That's amazing. This is gonna be small one. Oh, that pony. Sorry, kids. I'm your friend. I can fix this like that. Why keep this falling? And this is what's gonna pony that slide over. This is me. I'm a Prince Doll. It looks same. Comment down below. Is it same? You want to see that? We have the big mini ice. We have the big giant ice cream right there that I told you, and we have the. You want to see?
I believe I can fly.
This is a lot like places. Oh, they have brush to brush my hair, baby. Her name is Kimi. So, this is the home chair to eat ice cream. You excited to want to open this? Okay, let's open this. This is the cat. Goes round, round. My baby gonna wash my house. So sweet. Let's put this carriage first. This is how long they have even the pony. Oh, I have that pony. Let's see. Upside down. Wow! I mean, a little bit. I take this box and I throw it to Daddy. Daddy, can you do it with this box?
Okay.
Right over. Right there. Thank you. Daddy. Ooh, so sweet. Before we give this box to Daddy, I want to show you what is this. Do you see? This is the sign. Don't run from this. We doing our with this, and the sign don't run right from the wet floor. Let me see. And this for the dust, to all of dust and get rid of it. What is it? Oh, this is for cleaning. Cleaning with this. This is the stick. And this is like, oh, sorry, my dear. And this is how the, just like, Cinderella do. And they have the bell one that looks like this. I'm a little teapot, short and stout. And this is the pony. And this is the trap. The trap is cat. This is for my aquarium, so it feel good. And this is awesome. And this is Fluttershy, Twice Purple, and this is Rainbow Dash. Why Rainbow Dash has a forgot what is this tell. Daddy know what is this. Daddy,
What?
do you know what is this?
She's for clean a mirror.
Oh, for make dry.
No, she's for mirror.
Oh yeah. And this is, I think this is just like put the paint, just like this.
Yeah.
Wow. Get a bonus. Oh, I know. This is when I would have told you. If I go, I will tell you something. A little bit ago to my bathroom, and I told you how this is worked. Let's go to my room. But okay, okay, this is my my room, and this is my wallpaper. The Elsa, and this is how you do it. Yeah. 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 Oh. This is how you do it. Yes. This is how you do it. Oh. This is how you do it. And I think this is. Daddy, what is this called? This. I think that's really long to tell it. Maybe we should building this. Okay, take the carrot.
What? You just like go to war?
No, I like like. Okay, let's take the volume. This is just like. Okay, we'll put pony in the top. This goes. Let me see. Oh, this goes right here. Oh. It's easy to build. You have to look at that box. Ah! Yeah. It's soft. This is just like a Play-Doh. I got the blue one. This is what yellow and blue. And I got a blue, the cap, and the yellow. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna put that. It's a little bit hard. This just goes right here. Ow. I mean, not right there. Right here. The other one. This is our building. And this is hold that. This is so cute. Look at it. And you put right here. Right there. This ride this. Put this on first before they fall. Okay. And again, I'll teach her this how the year works, so he'll let me know. What? How does this fall? There we go. Yeah, that's perfect. That's perfect. We have this. Now we test Kimi. Lift that. Lift that to me. Hi, I'm Kimi. Sorry. Okay, I'm all ready for it. Now I'm gonna clean this ice cream. This is how they play. You're gonna brush. How do you hold it? Okay. This is how you do it. I hold it so he toy. Oh my. Yeah, that's cool. He hold it. Okay, that's enough. And gonna put the sign right here. So, okay, fours. And your accessories. Rainbow dash. Okay. Put them. Oh, he pulled it. It's okay. Oh, and don't forget this. How long are you gonna clean? Okay. Don't forget the dust. You hold this thingy. It's really small, you know. He has it a little bit small to reach that. But you used to have just like this on the floor. I'm gonna make this sound. I'm a machine. I can take that. Why? Sorry, kids. Why are you picking foxy drugs? Okay. Okay, now friends, this last time, Kimi wanna play in the playground. All the Oh, that's really shiny. Oh, okay. You once said you want to play. Oh. I mean this one. Well, wait a minute. This is blue. Okay, you go first. Take it out. A little bit big. Cute. Okay. And how about me? Hey! Oh, your shoes are cute. Okay. You want to play this component? Let's go play this component. Woo! Okay, kids. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Give me a huge thumbs up. Click the notification